Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get prototype of method in object. So what we're gonna do is remove all of those object. What we're gonna do is use the const and create a prototype. And one, name it as one, it will be good for you, and make as a empty object. After that, what we're gonna do is const object one equals, here's the object dot create, and inside that what we're gonna do is prototype one, pass the prototype one object, and after that log it on a console object dot get prototype of and pass object one. So and now what we're gonna do is check that it has inside that or not. So because we put it inside, so expected output is true. There's a mistake. Get prototype. Oh, that would be O in uppercase. So after that what we're gonna do is true. Yeah, so this is what it does, because it has inside that containing that object. So this is what it does. If we like directly check it on like that, you're gonna say empty object constructor, proto of object. So I hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.